Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Rule of One. So this story takes place in the near future in the United States where the rule of one is ruthlessly followed. So every family is only allowed to have one child. And so Ava's family is really expected to follow that because her father is the head of the Texas Family Planning Division. So Ava has a secret that her mother died trying to keep, and a secret that her dad has hidden forever. Ava has a twin. So for 18 years, Mira and Ava have lived as one. They have, interchanged their daily life so that nobody knows that there's actually two of them. They go to school as one. They live their lives as one. But when their big secret is exposed, and their worst nightmare is about to come true, now they must leave their father behind and fight for their lives. They have been branded as traitors, hunted as fugitives, and pushed to discover just how far they'll go in order to stay alive. So, can they do it? Will they stay alive? Will they ever return back to their father? To find out, read The Rule of One. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.